I want to talk to you today about three metals that aren't just sitting in the periodic table. They're sitting in your phone, your body, and maybe even your future. Gold, silver, titanium. But what makes a metal matter? Is it rarity, usefulness, or is it something deeper? Something about how these elements interact with consciousness itself? Because here's what's really interesting. Every ancient civilization that reached for the stars started by reaching into the earth for these exact materials. Let's start with gold, atomic number 79. It doesn't rust, doesn't corrode, doesn't decay. In fact, every atom of gold that existed when Earth formed is still here. That's why kings wore it. Not because it was shiny. Well, okay, partially because it was shiny, but because it represented something that doesn't die. 1 gram of gold can be hammered into a sheet 1 square meter wide. It conducts electricity better than almost anything that won't oxidize. Your computer CPU, gold. Spacecraft shielding, gold. Cancer therapy nanoparticles, gold. Ancient alchemists called monoatomic gold ormus and believed it elevated consciousness. Modern physics just calls it stable. But what if they were describing the same thing? Now silver, atomic number 47, moves energy faster than any metal on Earth. Highest electrical and thermal conductivity, period. It's antimicrobial, which is why your great-grandmother's silver spoon wasn't just about wealth, it was about health. Silver belonged to the people while gold belonged to kings. Today, solar panels, electric vehicles, touchscreens, water purification. But here's the thing, unlike gold, silver gets consumed. Used up, silver reflects light, literally, and in metaphysical terms, it reflects truth. Subconscious intelligence encoded in atomic number 47. Then there's titanium, atomic number 22. Stronger than steel, lighter than aluminum, and your body doesn't reject it. Titanium bonds with bone. It's used in cranial implants, spinal implants, dental implants. Anywhere you need a material that integrates human tissue with structure. Aerospace engineers love it. Military armor depends on it. And if we're building neural interfaces or light body scaffolds for whatever comes after Homo sapiens, titanium is the framework. It's the metal of Mars and Uranus, warrior and awakening. So why these three? Well, you see, they map onto something older than metallurgy. Spirit, mind, body. Sun, moon, warrior. Crown chakra, third eye, root. Gold anchors value. Central banks still hoard it because consciousness that doesn't fragment makes a pretty good store of sovereignty. Silver fuels the industrial and energy crossover. It's monetary and functional. Intuition made conductive. Titanium? That's building the post-human interface. Space economy. Transhuman scaffolding. The Triad isn't random. It's archetypal resonance encoded in atomic structure. But here's what I keep coming back to. You're drawn to these metals not because someone told you to be, but because they align with master-level consciousness, truth-seeking intelligence, and future-proof embodiment. Gold doesn't decay. Silver reveals. Titanium integrates. And if you're watching this, you already knew that, or at least some part of you did. These three metals are a map. And the territory, that's you. Gold, silver, titanium. Consciousness, memory, structure. Sun, moon, warrior. You didn't stumble into this, you recognized it. Because mastery isn't about learning something new. It's about remembering what was always true. And as always, thanks for watching.